In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Add to Bag feature in Depop. This feature is a convenient way to curate your selections while shopping on this popular fashion marketplace. Let's dive in and make your shopping experience smoother and more organized. First, you'll want to open either the Depop app on your smartphone or visit their website at www.depop.com. Make sure you log into your account to access all the features. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin browsing. When you're exploring the app or the website, you can use the search bar to find specific items or simply scroll through the Explore feed to discover new trends. Once you spot something you're interested in, just tap on the item to open its detailed listing page. This page will help you get a closer look at the product with images, descriptions, and size information. Now comes the exciting part. Adding items to your bag. On the items page, you'll find a button labeled Add to Bag. By tapping this button, you're effectively moving the item to your shopping bag for future consideration. This is perfect if you want to continue browsing without committing to an immediate purchase. It's worth noting that while the Buy Now button has been replaced by this feature, you still have the option to buy immediately if you find something you can't wait to have. After you've added items to your bag, you might want to review your picks. To do this, tap the shopping bag icon, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the screen. This icon leads you to a summary of everything you've added. Here, you can see all the item details you've chosen, prices, shipping options, and seller information, all neatly organized. This feature is not only about convenience, but also about making informed purchasing decisions. Having everything in one place allows you to compare options and manage your budget with ease. If you're someone who often needs to mull over decisions or likes to consider multiple options before making a purchase, this feature is a game changer. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can take full advantage of the Add to Bag feature on Depop. It can transform your shopping experience from hurried and overwhelming to efficient and enjoyable. Happy shopping, and enjoy curating your fashion finds with ease on Depop.